Garage Doors Lancashire is an independent family-run business and is one of the leading garage door companies in the UK. Our purpose-built large showroom in Bamber Bridge has over 60 garage doors on display. If you are located around Lancashire, we would highly recommend a visit. At our showroom, our friendly team will help you choose from the great selection of domestic garage doors we have available from top brands. There are a vast range of styles, materials and opening mechanisms viewable, including steel and timber up and over doors, roller doors and much more. There are also brochures available in store, and we also have easy access for disabled customers. Get in touch today or visit us in our showroom.